So I was like doing this, put my aura, did this, did this. Then I was putting my aura, then I deformed. I pressed this, this, 1, 2, 3. I hit this, I press alright, and I got Blizzard. I'll send you proof. How did I get down here? Blizzard. This is such a W. I thought I ate that. Let's go. Let's try to trade it. Let's trade. Trading. Come on, trade for me, please. Trade. Okay, let's try to find some trades. Either first. Blizzard, Shadow, and this. Dang it. Great. Let's see if I can stand him. Oh my god. You needed for my vid. Guys, should I? I don't know, guys. Guys, comment if I should give my Buddha for a noob. Comment and like if you want. If you don't, if you say no. What the? Okay, yeah. You already have Buddha? Nice. T-Rex, that's crazy. Come on. Anything good? Anything for this? That's W. Okay, guys. Nobody wants to trade for this. Nobody wants to trade. How about you? Trade. Trade. Please. 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 You jumped. Yeah. Okay, I'm gonna join a different server. Okay, I found a server to trade in. Let's see. Trading. Oh no. Guys, what should I trade for this? Birthday. Let's see what he wants. What do you... Guys, is this a W or a L? Guys, you can just see a W or L, guys. Comment below. Bruh. Okay, never mind. He doesn't want to trade. This is good. Venom for this. Venom. Buddha for Venom. Gravity. Let's see if we accept this. Let's see. This might be an L, guys. Gravity. Venom. I want the venom. Like, give me the venom. Change to venom. Come on. But doesn't know the value of the Buddha. This is a L for me. Bruh. Venom, then yes. You put the venom, but you won't put the venom again. Just put the venom, please. I'm not gonna go until you put the venom. OMG. Just put the venom. This is only... This is the only time I get it, to be honest. I'm sorry. Venom. First. Bro, nobody wants to do Venom. Bet, I want to trade with you. You look good. Buddha? Oh, bet, he have those fruits. Guys, Spirit. I can't add anything. Oh, this is such an L trade. Yeah, I'm not gonna trade. Bro, nobody's gonna take like 10 minutes to trade. Guys, is this a W or L? Guys, I'm trading white. Never mind. Guys, is this an L or W? Because I can trade Venom for what? What? 2, 3. Guys, well, what? Is this a W or L? It's probably an L for me, but it's fine. It's Buddha and Blizzard W. That's good. Come on. W. That's a W for me. Not if you guys say L, I don't really care. Peace. Bye bye. Go to my description if you want to join my Discord. Bye bye, guys.